Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is me, barefaced and all, you know what I'm saying? She looking cute or whatever, but let's make her look fine. So I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty primer. I'm just going to put that all over my face. And you want to rub that in good, okay? So, yeah, I have something on my hand or whatnot. So, yeah, you moisturize. And then I put my Black Radiance True Complexion one on. It's like Shine Control. And that's my BB cream from l.a.girl. Yeah, l.a.girl. And I'm just putting that all over my face. The reason why I chose BB cream is because I wanted a light coverage. And I always want to try a BB cream. So that's why. And it was new. Most of the products in this video is like new. So yeah. So you want to blend that out. You want to blend so you can't blend no more. Okay, so yeah. So I'm going to take that l.a.girl Pro Concealer. And I'm going to put that under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin. I'm just going to blend that out also. Blend it out to your heart's content. Blend. Get that bridge, hunty. Get it. So I'm going to go in with my yellow concealer just to brighten up a little bit more because I wanted like a little bit of brightness. So yeah, I'm going to blend that out too. I was listening to music. I was jamming. Yes. I wish I could listen to it too, but you too, wait. Okay, so I'm putting my Sacha Buttercup banana powder under my eyes and I'm pressing that in. You don't have to press it in, but I feel like pressing it in, like it really sets the makeup. So that's what I do. I press it in, then later on I pack on more. And that's just some like facial powder just to set my whole entire face. I actually, to be honest, I really don't like that powder, but I just need to set my face. Now I'm gonna go in this and like contour a little bit, contour and bronze, you know. That's my favorite. You see, I hit pan, honey. I hit pan, okay? And I'm just going to, cut that contour so it can be nice and sharp. You know what I'm saying? Trying to look professional up in here. And now I'm going to go into my eyeshadow. I'm going to take those two colors there. And I'm going to pop that into my crease. And I'm just going to blend that out until I'm happy with it. Just pack on the color until you get like the consistency you want, the color that you want, the pigment that you want. And so I took this black kohl liner. I didn't like it. It was not doing anything for me. As you can see, like it wasn't doing anything. So I improvised, me being as smart as I am, a genius. I grabbed some concealer and I just put that on my lid and I blended that out with my finger. Then I decided, oh, that's not working right. So I did the beauty blender to do it faster and more evenly. Then I'm packing on my black eyeshadow because I wanted it to be like dark. I wanted it to be nice and dark because like not all black eyeshadows are pigmented enough. So I'm just gonna blend that out into my transition shade or my crease color. You know what I'm saying? Because we don't want no botched up eye looks, okay? We trying to look fine here. We're not getting clocked, okay? No clockage over here. None whatsoever. So I'm blending out that concealer that I put on top of the black. And I'm going to take that shimmery shade. I'm going to put it on my hand as you saw. And I'm going to take that brush and pat it on to my lid. Now I'm patting it on because I want it to be opaque. I want it to be nice and out there. And so I just keep on packing on that color. And then for even more Shazam, I just put it directly on. And then now I'm taking this liquid one. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm not used to this. So, yes, my products are backwards. I'm going to get used to it. And all of that good stuff. And you see, just look how pretty all those shimmery shades came together. Look how cute. Now, like in this video, I really was just like winging it. I did not know what I was doing. I did not know what I was going for. Then I was like, oh, some white eyeliner. Let me do something extra. Let me be extra. And then that's when I got the idea. This right here. Fireworks. Let me put some fireworks on my eyelids. I ain't never seen that before. Let me do it. Now, it might be some ratchet fireworks, but it's some bomb fireworks. Them fireworks up in that sky. Okay? So that's just like the white specks. You know, like how like it has the brightness. I don't know, but it's supposed to be fireworks. Now I'm gonna take that glittery stuff. The reason why I chose this glitter is because it got like different shades. It got like green, red, all that stuff. So it reminded me of fireworks. So I put that on top. I pressed it with my finger, and it stayed. Like I didn't put no glue or nothing right there. I just pressed it with my finger. And that's how it looked. That's how it looked. You girl looking cute and artistic. Okay. Okay, so now I'm just gonna contour my nose the best way that I know how. My nose contour, to be honest, comes out different every time, but I like it every time too, you know. And so now I'm gonna snatch up my nose with the powder just to make it even more snatched. Now I'm bronzing up my cheeks and all of that because I like to be bronzy. I like to be darker than what I am. Come on now, who don't? Who don't? Okay. Okay, now I'm going to be taking this blush. I'm just going to be putting on the apples of my cheek. And then I bring it back because I'm just that extra, you know? And now I'm just wiping off all my excess powder that I have on my face because it's about that time. It's about that time, y'all. Now I'm going to use that lash. It's my favorite eyelash mascara. I'm going to use those lashes that I got from my beauty supply store. Pop that on. Look how nice. Get them fireworks. Look at that. And I put the other one on off camera. I'm going to set my face with this setting spray. It's a matte setting spray. I don't quite like it, but it's what I have. So that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to go in with that highlight. Actually, I did some swatches the other day and I do not like it because when I put my arm a certain way, an angle, it looks white and I don't like that. So yeah, while you guys watching this, hurry up and scroll down. Do it quick though. Click that like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more things. I got more things coming. I know I've been slacking, you guys, but busy with work and school, like things are coming. It's coming. I have these different ideas that I want to do, Just let me know. Now for my favorite part, the lipstick. My two favorite things to do is highlight and lipstick. That's where the two things come together. That's where everything comes together. And I love my lips, so lipstick is def top. So I lined my lips with a brown liner, and I'm going to take this blush. It was just something I had on hand, and I'll put it on the center of my lips to create like a little bit of pigment. And I'm going to use my Fenty lip balm and it's bomb, girl. It's bomb. And those are my brows. And this is me trying to be cute, you guys. Now I want you guys to subscribe. Look at that. Look at that. Fireworks. I was playing with the light. So yeah, that's what that is. I also did a hair video on this hair look. If you guys want to see it, let me know. Bye, you guys. Thank you for watching.